That is a drill press, and that is a drill vise. Use it for clamping parts that you're going to drill. I also use the vise on the bandsaw. But when I'm trying to cut stuff close to the drill vise, that little foot gets in the way. So I cut it off. That way I can get the jaws of the vise right against the bandsaw blade. And that piece of shit doesn't get in the way. And to cut that off nice and clean, I put it up in the milling machine. There's another vise. That's a mill vise. Similar to the drill vise. That one's much bigger. Yeah, and I just use the mill to cut everything nice and clean.